Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening. Happy Sunday. Thank you for joining us. Your name and where you are calling from?
My name is Igbo from UK.
All right. Thanks for joining us. You have the floor.
Yes, thank you for what you're doing. You're doing a marvelous job.
Thank you, sir.
You see, in Igbo land, what is happening in Igbo land is very, very clear now. It's very, very clear now that ipob has no hand. They haven't had any hand in insecurity in Igbo land. ipob and Eastern Security Network have been fighting. They saw this on time. Now they can't saw this on time. We signed on it, but they saw this on time. And they closed those alarm and set up security network. And that was why for doing that, the federal government became so angry with them. And they strategized using our Igbo, the Federal and the internal forces, both Igbo brothers.
Yes. Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. You will continue from here. This thing you just said now, I understand it very, very well. That ipob, and no matter what the politicians say, they don't have hand about insecurity in this country. This is because, like this fight in what is it called, in Anambra State now, where Tinubu is using his boys to. Have you ever seen where they arrested people, they cite POB people? The major people they are focusing now, the kidnappers who has links with the native doctors funding them. This thing has nothing to do with people who are agitating. It has nothing to do with the IPOB. Now, apart from these people now who are kidnapping, the rest attack in Igbo land is the Fulani attacks who are burning down the villages. These are the two major things. Now, someone should come out now to tell me if IPOB is responsible for all this, because look at what is going on in Anambra State. It is clear that it's not IPOB, but it is kidnappers who are linked to the traditional rulers. And the attacks in Ebonyi State, in Enugu State now that we are seeing is all about the Fulani attack. So I really understand what you are saying. Go on.
You as mentioned, is a noise maker. We have expected people like Soluto to call out the security agents that are killing our youths, uploading their money from their accounts. You know what I mean? Destroying the economy in the Igbo land. None of them have said anything about it. So I am suspecting that even the USA might have found its way into Eastern Igbo land to destroy the economy in Igbo land, destabilize Igbo land, chase away our people, because they know that the people who are holding Nigeria, the main people who are holding Nigerian economy and making Nigeria what it is, are the Eastern Igbo people and the Eastern Nigeria. Once you destabilize them, you have destabilized Nigeria. So these people are very, very intelligent, and they know what. If anybody tell you that, oh, Tinubu, like I have people say that, oh, Tinubu is destabilizing the northern Nigeria, those are lies. You know, he's working with them. Have you seen the emir call him out? No. Have you seen the real northern leaders call him out? No. You can only see these politicians like fire who have escaped out of the government, or who are not longer making the government, but having with the positions, with the minister positions. You can the northerners, emirs, they're silent. They know what is happening. Yeah. The France and the other nations, other Western countries, they know they have used terrorism to destroy, to want to destabilize Nigeria. And our president is a tool. Setima is a tool. A lot of them, they are tools that are being used for this purpose. So the Nigerians are very, very easy to manipulate. Once you tell them, oh, it is this IPOB that made you to be closing your shop on Monday, people say, since all the time that the shops have been open, for many years, 40 years ago, that these shops have been open, what have you had in Igbo land? What infrastructure is visible in Igbo land? But they will just play on the mind of people. That on Monday they have, because of what has Monday a day? What has Monday? Only Monday has to do with the Igbo land. Is it the reason why they cannot use a federal allocation and the IGR to develop, to construct roads?
Absolutely no.
To build nice hospitals, to generate more. Igbo land has a lot of businesses, markets here and there. He said, if we want to build Igbo land like Lagos, we can build Igbo land like Lagos. Even if the shops are closed two times in a week. So Igbos are easily played. I mean, to play with their heads, with their minds are very easy. How many politicians have said anything? All this word that Nnamdi Kanu is being incarcerated. This here, people like you and the Yoruba people, those who are speaking for Igbo land are Yoruba people.
Yeah.
They follow to me. Yoruba people are saying they are the ones speaking for Igbo people. Speaking for Igbo people, saying for Igbo people. Igbo politicians, criminals, they keep silence. They don't want to do anything. They keep silence just because of position. Just because of position. So, from my own opinion, we are already, the people are already dying. Everybody should get ready to defend themselves. Because that death that we are afraid of is already taking place. Yeah. In the area of ritual murder and the kidnapping. Those kidnapping and ritual murders, a lot of things. They are systematic. If you tell me that they don't have a hand, the machineries and some forms, it's not responsible for all those things. For all those things, it's a lie. That's how you create insecurity. That's how you create fear. It is not when you start use gun and start shooting everywhere. You can use a lot of things to create fear. Use a lot of things to create fear. Use the kidnapping to create fear. You use by the time you use our people, those who speak our language, our eyes, our mind will go out from suspecting other people and start suspecting that it's our people that are doing this. They are paid, they are funded, their funds are funded into Igbo land. Everybody should be ready to defend ourselves because to do it once and for all. Because do it once and for all. You know? So that's my
Thank you so much for your wonderful opinion, because it's so pathetic that the people who swore an oath to defend, the life and properties of the people are no longer doing that, leaving people to, to put their destiny in their own hands. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
All right, Chidon, you can unmute yourself and also on your camera.
Yeah, hello.